Hey everyone! With New Year's Eve coming up, Airbnb is rolling out new restrictions using AI technology to prevent unauthorized parties. In today's video, we'll look at how this system works and what it means for Airbnb hosts and guests. Airbnb's proprietary AI will identify and block high-risk bookings for entire homes over NYE weekend in several countries. It analyzes factors like trip duration, location, listing type, and last-minute bookings to assess party risk. This builds on Airbnb's global party ban policy and past NYE anti-party measures. In 2020 and 2021, Airbnb blocked thousands of bookings and saw decreased party reports over NYE due to restrictions. The new AI tech will be used in the US, Canada, UK, France, Spain, Australia, and New Zealand. How the AI works and what kind of signals it looks for in analyzing bookings. Note this prevents both guests and hosts who may want to throw unauthorized parties. The motivation is to reduce neighborhood disruptions overnight. What are the broader implications for AI being used to police behavior? How do you think hosts and guests will react? And what about local communities? I'd love to hear your perspectives on this topic in the comments.